Hi, my name's Simon from Motordrome, and today we're going to take a walk around and a drive off this C registration, so either 1985 or 86 Land Rover 110 ex-military 2.5 normally aspirated diesel soft top, as you can see behind me. Two videos, one walk around, one driving. Hope you like them. Okay, let's take this C registration, so either 1985 or 86 Land Rover 110 2.5 normally aspirated ex-military soft top for a spin. We sold this about 2.5-3 years ago to an NCO in the British Army, who subsequently transferred to the Australian Army, so it's just come back to us. We just bought it back from him, and it's fitted with power steering, which is an upgrade on original, because originally it wouldn't have had power steering at all, because soldiers are supposed to be nice and strong, but before we sold it last time it had been converted to power steering. It's also had this customised dash put in by the last owner. Right, showing 128,000 kilometres, so he's not done many miles on it. I think we sold it done about 123. Yeah, so anyway, ignition light and oil light come up as they should. The cold start light does come up, but we don't need that at the minute. Starts nice, this one, whether it's hot or cold. Usual puff of black smoke out the back when you start it. That's normal on a normally aspirated 2.5. And still, as it was 2.5-3 years ago, the temperature gauge does slightly overread. It looks like the gauge would indicate it's overheating. It's not, it never has. The water is perfect in it. It was like this 2.5-3 years ago. It's still the same. Nobody's bothered to do anything about it. Might be an iffy gauge, might be the sender unit, but it's never given any sort of problem. So off we go. Nice to have power steering one of these. Actually, it does make them a little bit lighter to drive. It's the LT77 gearbox, so we can expect a little bit of backlash. Yeah, a little bit of backlash in the transmission, which is generally from the tail shaft of the gearbox, common on the LT77. Steering wheel could be straighter, it's about 20 degrees off to the left. But it steers nicely, it's not wandering all over the road. Going exactly where it's placed. We'll hear some rattling and some noises because the soft top will flap a little bit, being a soft top, and also the camera is mounted on the near side sliding window. But it goes about its business just as it should, really. Sports car, the normally aspirated diesel, but they are utterly reliable. As you can see, it just bumbles along quite happily. We are doing 80 kilometres an hour now, so 50 miles an hour. Sinister noises or massive rattles, so you're probably getting some rattling on the camera from where the camera is mounted, but the vehicle itself is, suspension wise, it copes perfectly with these this bumpy road. Just trundles down the road quite happily. So apart from that temperature gauge, I can't fault the way it drives. Let's see what it's like under braking actually, there's no one behind. Yeah, stops properly, stops in a straight line, no funny noises. I think for the last couple of years certainly it's been maintained in the army workshops down at Salisbury Plain. A little bit of slop in the gear linkage. Not excessive. Nice adventure edition bike, isn't it? So there we have it. My name's Simon. You can reach me in the... Do what? Yeah. As you can see, I'm being harangued. Okay, quick video of the engine running when it's nice and warm on this ex-military 110 with power steering. That slight rattling you can hear is the here is this. The engine itself isn't rattling overly, no more than they do. It's actually a remanufactured MOD motor.